Here we are, West Bend Country Club, day 10 of renovation. Moving along, we've got a sod going in right behind me over my right shoulder here. Starting to put where we want our fairway lines and starting to address everything from a detail standpoint. Right off here to my left, we've got a kind of a wet, low spot. We've always had drainage issues, wet issues. First time since I've been here, we've actually stuck a excavator in the ground to see what's going on down below. Ran into some subsurface water that's down anywhere from 3 to 5 feet where it fills up pretty fast. So the guys behind me are running one of the outflow pipes right now, and we're gonna try to put a trench in here and cut this water off from coming into the fairway. Hopefully get rid of it. Things are going along very well. Can't ask for anything more on day 10. So as we're ending week 3 here for the renovation, hole 18's progressing nicely. It's for the most part now shaped in. A little bit of work in the back. We've just stripped the sod on the back of it, which was a bentgrass roll-off. Now we're looking at a bluegrass roll-off in the back, which we're going to reshape into that natural roll-off, more of what we've had our front 9 of Langford and Moreau. We've done the same on the left side. The front, we've widened the approach, which is what the project was for today. Weather's kind of beat us up the last few days with some rains. My guys jumped in today, helped out. We got the whole front approach sodded so we can keep moving forward in the back. We've renovated here the 17th sand bunker. Pretty quick project, wasn't a whole lot involved. We took the bunker, moved it about 6-8 feet in closer to the green, gave it the Langford Moreau roll off in the front, steepened it up a little bit. Now the boys are putting it back together. Not a real long process here, but part of the project that we really wanted to get completed. So as you can see behind us, sand's going in. That's moving in the right direction. Project's been over a few days now. Everything's wrapped up, minus over my left shoulder here. There's one soiled area out there that will dormant seed as we get close to winter. But as I think you can tell looking down the hole, what a difference. Nothing but rave reviews from what we've heard from inside membership. Architects extremely pleased with it, and so are we. The bright side of doing this is, you bring in these companies, bring in golf sculptors, use their expertise, bring in Sunbelt with their equipment. You put the two together. These guys are professionals. It's what they do on a daily basis.
Sunbelt really promotes that. We get out to the local projects to work with the course superintendents, to work with the contractors, that they see that we're there for them, whether it's for advice or if it's trying to figure another solution out. But Sunbelt finds it very important that we get out to the projects.
Biggest thing we did is we swapped out one excavator, swapped our mid 18.5 early on in the project to get something with a knuckle on it so that the shapers are able to tilt the bucket kind of like your wrist, to be able to get different angles and get the banking the right direction. We had a couple small minor breakdowns with some small equipment. Sunbelt was here right on the spot, got it fixed, got us back up and running. We were done in about 4 weeks. We'd have done this internally, we'd still be on the first bunker. Just maintaining a golf course and trying to do construction. We've done it. We've had projects start about the same time, same magnitude, and that following May, we're still wrapping them up. To do 16, what we've got behind me, 17 is a small bunker renovation, and then renovate the surround on 18 green, all one shot, and really give it the true character of what it should have for this golf course. Fantastic.